Dog food, brake cleaner, goof off. Sirius FM radio adapter. Plug it into your antenna and you don't have to use that stupid antenna on the fender that I have. I just haven't hooked it up. I got this crappy antenna here and mediocre. It's mediocre. Sometimes it's clear and sometimes it ain't. Gotta change the station when you drive. This thing goes into your antenna wire. You just take it off, put the adapter in, and we'll see how it works. I came here looking for some oil. Oh, dimmer switch. I need that. Toasted mine. I don't know why. Third or fourth one. Victoria Day, May 21st. Gotta have your Canadian auto news. I was gonna oil my hinges. My buddy Gas Sub Wild 8101, Gas Sub Wild 8101 was lubricating his. They were going. Not mine. I always keep mine lube, but look at my rubber. But it's not rusty. Not rusted. All the factory seams and folds. It was rusty here. Pisser sandblasted, I hope. Put a patch panel on here. Can't even tell where he welded it. Somewhere around here there's some Bondo. I'll get some grease and I'll grease that up. Gotta grease it up! Grease her up!